Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make selfie stickers directly inside WhatsApp. Now first, you want to make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Then open any chat inside the app. And once you're in a conversation, you want to tap this icon right here below. And then you want to tap the fourth tab. So this is the fourth one. And from here, you're going to have to choose create. Then your gallery will show up. All you have to do is pick your image. Once you do, WhatsApp will automatically remove the background for you, which is super convenient. And then from here, you can customize your sticker even more. What you can do is you can add text. You can even change the font, change the color, right, and move this around anywhere on the screen. And adjust everything until it looks exactly how you want it. Then once you're done, once you're happy with this, simply send this, tap the send button at the very bottom. Once you do, that sends a sticker to the chat and also saves it to your sticker collection so you can use it again anytime. And that's it. You've just created your own selfie sticker right inside WhatsApp. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.